We continue with the fourth layer. We are matching the yellow and the orange and the blue bead. 2 versus 1. We have the blue and the orange. Now, in this corner, we shall work with 4 more beads. So that is for the orange, we use 3, and for the blue, we use 1. It's 1, 2, 3. This is the crossing bead.
Okay.
This is the sequence you repeat until you come to the end. It is 2, 1. The more you increase the layers, the more the size increases. The more you spread more beads.
Okay.
You are enlarging each layer. You are enlarging the mat.
Okay.
Yeah, we are working with 4.
Okay.
This 4 the 3 orange. So we repeat the same procedure
Okay.
all around until we come to the end here.
Okay.
As we near the end of our mat, we have our string is now shorter, and we need to increase in order to complete this part. So when you need to add another string, instead of crossing both ends with 1 bead, you just insert in one side, and then you can tie. You can tie here.
Okay.
This way. To ensure that the bead will not, the string will not be loose, for the bead to move out after maybe you have used the mat for some time. You tie very well, and then because we need to reduce this string, the remaining part, we can, if we cut at this point, it is easy for it to be loose with time. So we first insert back to several beads at any pattern, to ensure that you first hide the string a bit. For several beads, maybe 2, 3. Then cut using your nail cutter.
Okay.
it's here. That's one. And the other edge, the hide. A bit. Then cut.
Okay.
Thick. You want to add the, in order to complete our mat. Look where your head is. It's just a short one.
Okay.
That will be enough. You insert from your last bead.
Okay.
That is the blue. Then continue with the pattern. Just insert it. Then insert on the orange. Then you continue the pattern.
Okay.
3 versus 1. Then 2 versus 1. Now we are completing the last line. Two. And now we are at the last part.
Okay.
Insert there, then cross 3, 2 and 3. Then now tie, because we have completed our mat. You can repeat the same procedure with a diamond bead, which is more firm. And also easy to make any mat of your choice. You are now through with our mat.
Okay.
Then cut. Now with this mat, can now use it
Okay.
any kind of glass
Okay.
for warm liquid or a cup of tea.
Wow, that's awesome. Now we have come to the end of making a table mat. You can comment, subscribe, like, and also you can share. Thank you so much for watching Jason Bead, and continue watching more that are coming. Thank you so much.